In the wake of Hurricane Beryl, uncertainty loomed over many schools across Jamaica and their ability to reopen for the academic year. Yet through concerted efforts and funding from the Ministry of Education,
we pulled out all the stops so that our schools would be ready for the start of the new school year.
With the support of various stakeholders, institutions like Newell High School have undergone significant repairs, ensuring that learning can continue. With an enrollment of over 850 students, Newell has proudly served as a beacon of academic excellence for more than 50 years. However, the recent hurricane inflicted considerable damage on classrooms, the agricultural farm, and other vital facilities. But despite these challenges, the resilience of the school community shines brightly.
So when we were assessing the damage, our number one priority was trying to see where the critical classrooms were, areas that needed immediate repairs, and what other substitute we could put in place to find classroom space for our students. And so we have been able to identify classes, all not the best ideal situation, but we would have worked and reworked and repurposed some of the spaces so that we can have school for our children and have those spaces comfortable.
One source of support for Newell High came from the Donnie McClurkin Foundation, an international organization that has previously helped schools in Jamaica.
Well, we found out about Newell High School because of the hurricane damage that happened. And this was a central location for us to be able to come and to offer some disaster relief. We had a disaster relief concert in New York to help facilitate all of this with the repairing of some of the things, the replacement of agriculture from the plants to the chicks to the seed.
The support also involved the distribution of essential items such as clothing, non-perishable food, and book bags, all aimed at making a long-lasting impact on the community.
Many were traumatized by the event, so we ensured that they were prepared and given support in that area. We would have also brought in several key personnel just to reassure them and to give them that support needed to ensure that school academically we would have prepared our teachers, have our professional development, have our meetings, strategize as to how best we could deal with our children coming back. And I believe that we are in a good position.
As learning continues, Newell High School has formed strategic alliances to address educational needs.
One of the things that we would have done this year is that we would have recognized that the reading levels of our children coming in, especially given the performance of students across Jamaica in math and English, and we'd have put in partnership with St. Michael's Theological College, a 7th grade academy, where we're placing special emphasis on developing the literacy and numeracy of our children in order for them to do well on external exams.
Looking ahead, Vice Principal Bennett is optimistic about restoring the regular flow of school activities.
And so we're really hoping that going from here, we'll begin to have some resemblance of normalcy, and that we'll get Jamaica back on track, united in the purpose of one nation under God.
As the school community rallies together, the hope is not only to recover, but to emerge stronger, continuing Newell High School's legacy of excellence in education for years to come.